Hi everyone. Okay, this is a step-by-step on how to learn with STEM.my at your home. Okay, first search for STEM.my. Alright, and then log in. Click login. Enter your username and your password. Okay, after that, inform your teachers what time you are going to do online learning. Like this. Teachers will take your attendance and you can use your credit to start online learning. Okay, credit deducted successfully. It will come out like this for 2 hours. And you can go to course and you can choose what course you want to learn. For example, create game apps with Kiwi. Or you want to learn about basic animation and games, you can choose create game with Construct Tree. Like this. You can also watch the video tutorial below to understand more about the topic that you will learn. It's easy, right? Now you have done